In this video, we're going to show you the top 5 best 3D printers 2025. 3D printers revolutionize manufacturing and creativity by transforming digital designs into tangible objects. Using materials like plastic, resin, or metal, they create prototypes, models, or functional parts layer by layer. Ideal for industries, education, or hobbyists, 3D printers offer precision, innovation, and endless possibilities in crafting customized complex designs. I'm trying to list those based on price, quality, and more. Subscribe now, hit that bell, and never miss a product's review. Number 5. Monoprice Select Mini 3D Printer. Features well combined. This one of the best affordable 3D printers by Monoprice stands out from the rest in its league because it combines convenience, simplicity, and compactness. Such combination makes this model an ideally suited solution for those users who are just beginning to study and try printing three-dimensional models and parts. Contrary to the most DIY 3D printers, this device is shipped in almost completely assembled state. All you need to do before start printing is to unpack and attach some elements to their places according to the included manual. Monoprice designed this model with a completely open frame so that you could conveniently view your models being printed from all directions. The device is equipped with a printing platform that is pre-calibrated at the factory and offers a preheating feature. However, we recommend you to verify its correct position to prevent the resulting models from being skewed. This can be easily done with a paper sheet, aligning the position of the platform with respect to the print head. As for the filament spool, it attaches to the printer frame side, and for easier handling, the filament thread is secured with a special spring-loaded clip, which also simplifies its release when you need to replace it. Well-matched structure elements enable this device to work with various materials, such as PLA, ABS, as well as with more advanced ones like wood, composite filaments, and dissolving PLA. Advanced compatibility with operating systems and CAD software. Another characteristic feature of this model by Monoprice is that the printer is compatible with almost any software. Number 4. XWise Printing Wireless 3D Printer. A full-fledged workstation. We suggest those who decided to seriously engage in 3D modeling take a closer look at the DaVinci 3-in-1 professional printer. The model got the 3-in-1 in its name, not for nothing, and offers a number of extra features in addition to that of printing three-dimensional objects, which we will talk about later in more detail. However, before getting to the device internals, let's look at its exterior. The DaVinci has a stylish, and at the same time practical design great Leonardo would have been pleased of. The printer body is manufactured as a closed structure with a built-in printing chamber. The body finish in black and red colors makes this additive manufacturing equipment a modern-looking device. The external dimensions of this multifunctional printer are 18.4 inches by 20 inches by 22 inches, which makes it easy to use it on your desktop. With 2 recessed carrying handles on the sides, this prototyping device is convenient to carry, especially considering its 60.6-pound weight. As for parts and objects creation, this printer by XYZ fabricates the models in the closed chamber, which can be accessed by opening the front door. The door is made of a semi-transparent material, allowing you to freely observe the fabrication of a model and providing an isolation of the build chamber from the dust and small waste particles. Creativity unbound. As we mentioned above, the DaVinci printer is a 3-in-1 device, which offers such additional features as a built-in 3D scanner and laser engraver's connectivity. Please note that you need to purchase an engraver separately if you want to use it with a printer to engrave on your models. The 3D scanning feature allows you to make digital copies of the objects scanned for further processing and adjustment. Number 3. Robo 3D C2. A unique and compact design. Perhaps the title of the most creatively different and distinctive device in our review can be rightly awarded to the Robo C2 model. This one of the best affordable 3D printers, first of all, differs from its competitors in its compactness. The overall size of this piece of equipment measures 18.25 inches by 13 inches by 12.75 inches, which allows you to freely place it anywhere, even on your desktop. Among other equipment, the printer has a modern design with the body painted white and blue, and the frame elements complemented with transparent plastic panels allowing a more comfortable observation of the printing process. The printing chamber of this model is semi-closed and is protected by walls on 3 sides with the open front side providing a convenient access inside the printing chamber. The maximum build volume of this chamber is 5 inches by 5 inches by 6 inches, which is slightly less than that of other competing models, but considering the overall size of the printer, it's a decent volume. The filament holder is attached to the back of the device body and serves for holding a material spool. The filament is fed to the print head assembly that contains the extruder through a special tube, which is pre-inserted at the printer assembly stage. Multiple connection options. Unlike most entry-level small 3D printers, this model is equipped with a built-in Wi-Fi module and a LAN port in addition to commonly used USB and card reader data exchange interfaces. Thus, this versatility enables you not only print 3D models directly from your PC or use pre-created G-code files on an inserted memory card or a connected flash drive, but also connect the printer to your local network to get the data. Number 2. FlashForge 3D Printer. Improved design for professional modeling tasks. Those people who are interested primarily in high-quality 3D printing are recommended to consider the Creator Pro model by the FlashForge company. What makes this high-quality 3D printer even more attractive compared with its previous version are significant changes and improvements that made the printer even better. The updated model is built around a metal frame, which not only ensures a more accurate positioning of the device moving parts, but also a longer service life. The use of metal in the Creator Pro structure has also made it possible to achieve a high body rigidity, as well as to reduce vibrations when model printing is in progress. The vertical support used in the Pro model is better stabilized when the printing platform is moving, which undoubtedly contributes to the quality of the resulting 3D models. The improvements allowed to achieve the accuracy of the extruder assembly positioning at the rate of 0.0004 inch along the XY axis and to 0.0001 along the Z-axis. The printer is designed as a closed chamber with an openable door and a removable cover, which make keeping the desired temperature inside and preventing the dust from getting inside the chamber much easier. The door can be opened through an angle of 180 degrees, allowing a convenient access inside the chamber to extract the finished model or remove accumulated garbage. A top-grade creative platform. As for the materials from which this one of the best-rated 3D printers was made, it is worth mentioning that its printing platform is made of high-quality aluminum, which is used in the aerospace industry. The platform is fitted with heating elements, thus making it possible to use such materials as ABS plastic and fabricate more precise 3D models. Number 1. TAZ-6 3D Printer. Suits for the most challenging projects. The Lulzbot TAZ-6 model is one of the best 3D printers for home or professional use you can find on the market. Utilizing the FDM technology, this device lays and fuses building material layer by layer, thus creating various three-dimensional parts. The TAZ-6 is very simple to operate, and therefore many professors, designers, and engineers choose it for their work. One of the undeniable advantages of the printer is its impressive printing area and build volume, allowing the device to create 3D models with maximum dimensions of 11.02 x 11.02 x 9.8. Objects of this size are comparable with the size of a basketball, so you can create really big 3D models right on your desktop. The printing platform of this desktop 3D printer is made of borosilicate glass and covered with PEI print surface. With that, it is heated and therefore enables you to use different filament materials. This 3D printing device by Lulzbot offers a wide compatibility with various materials, such as ABS, PLA, HIPS, PVA, wood-filled filaments, polyester, Tritent, PETT, as well as bronze, copper, stainless steel-filled filaments, and many synthetic materials. Moreover, this list is constantly expanded. Please note that the diameter of filament threads or wires used is 0.1 inches, which is an important parameter to consider when purchasing building materials. A versatile design. One of the obvious advantages of the TAZ-6 model is the carriage modular design, which allows using different kinds of extruders. Initially, the printer comes with one extruder, but if you wish so, you can additionally purchase a double extruder that can print using two different filaments or two filaments of different color at the same time and install the extruder later.